Hello there, children. How are you today? Welcome to another fun reading with... Last time, children, we have learned about the words with long A sound. Remember when to use a long A with the words? Great! Now, you will learn about letter E. Can you still remember, children, the sound of the letter E that we had learned before? Very good. Letter E says eh. Eh, great. But today, we will have another sound of letter E. And that is, again, the name itself. The same with the long A. It's another sound is E also. Now, our focus would be, how are you going to know if the words would have long E sound? Are you ready? Great. If you're ready, then I am ready. Long E. Long E would say E. Always remember that. Now, if the letter E has another E beside it, its sound will become long and it will say E. Don't say eh, but you would say E. Can you say it again? Very good. So each time you would say that, you would say E. Now, let us practice. Seeds. Seeds. These are seeds. Next, let's have Jeep. 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 Great. That is Jeep. Next, feet. Feet. Great. Next, bee. Bee. That's a bee. Feed. Feed. You're going to feed or give food to the animals. That's feed. Tree. Tree. Three. Three. See the difference? When you have letter H there, that becomes a number. But when you don't have letter H, that is a big tree or a plant. Next, let's have deer. Deer. Ooh. Wheel. Wheel. Queen. Queen. Peel. Peel. The one that we have here is a banana peel or banana peeling. Next, knee. With this kind of word, you will not give the sound of letter K, that silent K, so you will just start from N and you would say knee. Let's say it. Knee, knee. Now, another. When you have E and letter A beside it, you would again give the long sound and you will say E. Let's say it one more time. E. And let us read. Oh, leaf. Leaf. Peas. Peas. Green peas. Meat. Meat. Seal. Seal. Heat. Heat. Wheat. Wheat. Beans. Beans. Tea. Tea. Seat. Seat. Great reading, children.